Do you have an old phone gathering dust in a drawer? You might be surprised to learn that it's not just taking up space. That phone isn't just clutter, it's potential cash. Yes, that old device could be worth more than you think. Many people upgrade their phones every few years, leaving old devices unused. These gadgets often end up forgotten in drawers or boxes. These old phones often hold significant value, and you can unlock that value in a few different ways. From selling online to trading in at stores, the options are plenty. Let's explore how to turn your old phone into extra cash. Whether it's through online marketplaces, trade-in programs, or local sales, there's a method that suits everyone. One of the most straightforward ways to profit from your old phone is by selling it. Whether you have an old iPhone, Samsung, or any other brand, there are numerous avenues to explore. Online marketplaces like eBay and Swappa offer platforms to reach potential buyers. These websites are user-friendly and allow you to list your phone with ease. Alternatively, consider local options like pawn shops or cell phone repair stores. These places often buy used phones directly, providing a quick and convenient way to sell. Before selling, ensure your phone is factory reset to protect your data. This step is crucial to prevent any personal information from falling into the wrong hands. To maximize your earnings, research your phone's current market value. Check multiple sources to get an accurate estimate of what your phone is worth. Consider its condition, age, and any included accessories. Phones in better condition and with original accessories tend to fetch higher prices. High-quality photos and a detailed description can attract buyers. Make sure to highlight any unique features or recent repairs. When setting your price, be realistic but firm. Pricing too high may deter buyers, while pricing too low might not give you the return you deserve. This approach can help you secure a fair deal for your old device. With the right preparation and research, selling your old phone can be a smooth and profitable experience. If selling isn't appealing, explore recycling programs. Many companies offer cash or gift cards in exchange for old electronics. These programs ensure your phone is disposed of responsibly, minimizing environmental impact. Check for local electronics recycling events or visit retailers like Best Buy or Staples, as they often have recycling initiatives. Beyond selling and recycling, unleash your creativity by repurposing your old phone. Instead of letting it gather dust in a drawer, think about the myriad of ways it can still serve you. Transform it into a dedicated music player, a makeshift e-reader, or even a portable gaming device. The possibilities are endless. You can also repurpose it as a security camera. With just a few simple steps, your old phone can help keep your home safe. Numerous apps available online can turn your old phone into a functional security system. These apps are easy to install and use, making it a convenient option for home surveillance. In conclusion, your old phone holds more potential than meets the eye. It can be a valuable tool in ways you might not have considered before. Whether you choose to sell it, recycle it, or repurpose it, there's an opportunity to benefit financially and contribute to a sustainable future. By giving your old phone a new purpose, you are not only saving money, but also reducing electronic waste. Take action and unlock the hidden value in your drawer today. Don't let your old phone go to waste when it can still bring joy and utility to your life. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more ways to turn your trash into cash.